Hello students, my name is Pooja Pathak and today we are going to deal with the topic circulatory system. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I would like to introduce one new term to you all. If you all know, just recall it. Okay, see what is the position of our heart? It is located in between the two lungs. Okay, that is the cavity, the mediastinum. Okay, so but the apex part, this is the apex part, this ventricle chambers are there. This apex part is a little bit tilted towards the left side, so we can say the heart is located in the left side. But what happens in the dextrocardia? The baby is born with the heart which is a little bit tilted towards the right side. Understood? So this condition is known as dextrocardia. It was just a purpose to inform you all a new term. I can introduce a new term. That's it. Now coming to the next slide, circulatory pathways. See, you all know that there is two type of circulatory system, that is open and closed type. So simply during the course of evolution, you all know the simplest form starts first, and after that we move towards the complexity. So let's start the first thing. See, open type of circulatory system is means when the heart is present and the heart gives out the arteries, and that arteries gives the blood into the body cells, and body cells is directly bathed into the blood. Okay, so body cells and blood is in direct contact with each other without without any tubes. Okay, there is no tube which is capillaries. Okay, so the capillaries are absent in the open type of circulatory system, but it is present in the closed type of circulatory system. How you can say now here? See, this is the diagram. Here arteries give out the blood which is not directly in contact with the tissues. So this is the main difference in between the open type and closed type of circulatory system. In open type, capillaries are absent, and in the closed type, capillaries are present. Understood? So let's start with the next slide. Now we will know about the open type of circulatory system. Understood? So first of all, we can understand it very easily that open type is a very simple form. Not very simple, and nature has not made anything very simple, but it's still we can say it that the simple forms are the invertebrates. Understood? So the most of the invertebrates we can say they have open type of circulatory system. Understood? So they don't have capillaries, which is a advanced characteristic. But two exceptions I would like to introduce here. Open type of circulatory system is seen in leeches, arthropoda, mollusca, echinodermata, and ascidians. Okay, ascidians are also invertebrates. They don't have vertebral column, but they are urochordates. They have notochord. Okay, they are chordates, but they are invertebrates. Understood? So now what are the two exceptions I was talking about? I was talking about the leeches. See, this leeches in Annelida, whole phylum of the Annelida, they have closed type of circulatory system, but only the leeches they have open type of circulatory system. And now coming to one more phylum, which is mollusca. In mollusca, all animals have open type of circulatory system, but only one class, that is cephalopoda, which includes the octopus, they have closed type of circulatory system. So exception you understood. All the whole phylum Annelida, they are closed, and the leeches are only the open type. Now coming to the one trick here. See, open type of circulatory system, you can learn it like this: open mala. Open mala means O means open, E means echinoderm. Understood? And mala means here M for mollusca, A for arthropoda, L for leeches, A for ascidia. Understood? Now it is easy to learn. Now coming to the next thing, closed type. Closed type of circulatory system, definitely I already told you all that all invertebrates they have open type of circulatory system. When we talk about closed type, all vertebrates they have closed type of circulatory system. Understood? Very easy. But now you have to learn the things, that is Annelida, cephalopoda. Cephalopoda is a invertebrate. Okay, Annelida is a invertebrate. Apart from these two, this is cephalopoda. Cephalochordata also is a invertebrate, but they have chordata. They are chordate, but they are invertebrate. So these three are the exception ones. You have to learn it. See, Annelida, cephalopoda, and cephalochordata. These are the only invertebrates which are included into the closed type of circulatory system. It is asked also in examination. So let's see here. See, you can see human beings, cats, dogs, and fishes. They are also the vertebrates. So these all have closed type of circulatory system. Now coming to the next slide, see, now we will talk about the single circulation. What is single circulation? You must be knowing that we, the human beings, we have double circulation. Then now we will talk about the fishes. Fishes, they have closed type of circulatory system, so they have capillaries. Now we will understand what type of what is single circulation actually. Now you should know about that heart has venous heart. Sorry, fishes has venous heart and brachial heart. What is this venous heart and brachial heart? You have to know that, see, when the heart, let me adjust it, see, when the heart is being supplied only by the deoxygenated blood, okay, you can see here blue blood, so only deoxygenated blood is entering only once in the heart, okay. So the this because blue blood is entering, deoxygenated blood enters into the heart to only once in the single time, it is known as venous heart. And because the circulatory system involves the gills, so it is branchial heart also, okay, because the oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange takes place through the gills, so they have venous heart and brachial heart. Understood why the term is being used? And they have single circulation. Why? Because you can see here the heart is receiving the blood only once, okay, and then the blood is going to gills, then the exchange occurs, oxygen is being taken up, and that oxygen is being supplied to the body. When the blood is supplied to the body, okay, that particular circulation is known as systemic circulation, okay. But when the circulation is occurring in between heart and lungs, the word lungs is representing the pulmonary, and when the skin is involved, that will be known as cutaneous. Understood? Now coming to the next thing. So you all understood. So they have two chambered heart, that is atrium and ventricle, and single circulation, venous heart and brachial heart. Now coming to the next thing, amphibians and reptilians, they have three chambered heart. Previously they were have two, now they have three. So all reptilians and all amphibians have three chambered heart, okay. But here what we will just discuss, see, all reptilians does not have three chambered heart. Exception is there, the crocodiles, okay, the crocodiles, they have four chambered heart. Understood? So the crocodiles, they have four chambered heart, and all amphibians and reptilians, they have incomplete double circulation. Why incomplete double circulation? Let me explain. First of all, they have three chamber heart. Why? Because they have two atrial chambers, right and left, and one ventricle chamber. Why? Because both sides are there, but it is incompletely divided, okay. So because of incomplete division of the ventricle chamber, it is known as one ventricle, okay. So division is not complete, so we say three chambered heart, okay. But the crocodiles, they have four chambered heart. So the mixing of blood occurs here. So it may be asked in examination that in which animals the mixing of blood occurs. So you can easily say the amphibians and reptiles, they have a three chambered heart, and mixing of the blood occurs. And here what type of circulation is seen? Incomplete double circulation. Understood? Now coming to the next thing, birds and mammals, the most advanced one. Birds and mammals, they show double circulation, okay. They show double circulation. What double circulation? Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Just before this I told you all, pulmonary circulation involves lungs and systemic circulation involves body tissues, okay. So the heart has four chambered here, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. And one more thing you should know, the doctor, those who are preparing for the NEET, or we can say other examinations, those who want to become doctors, they can easily remember it. Doctor means D for deoxygenated blood, R for right atrium. See, deoxygenated blood always reaches to the right atrium, so you should know this is the right atrium, and it always receive the deoxygenated blood. So vice versa, definitely left atrium will receive what type of blood? Oxygenated blood. So it is very easy now, okay. Now coming to the thing, we have the mammals and the birds, we have double circulation, and we have pulmonary. What type of double circulation? One is systematic and one is pulmonary. Now we have four chamber, two atria, two ventricles, and we have one myogenic heart, okay. Why myogenic heart? Because our heart is not completely in control with the nervous system. Why? Because if we cut the nerves which is supplied to the heart, even though our heart will beat. Why it will beat? You know, because of SA node, or we can say some cardiomyocyte cells which is present into the heart, okay. Our heart is a muscle, okay. It is also made up of muscles, so that's why it is known as myogenic heart. And that muscles are actually they have in right chamber, in right atria, they have one SA node. Okay, they have cardiomyocyte cells which is specialized to create some action potential, and it will help to pump the blood from the heart. And that nerve supply which is supplied to the heart, it will make a rhythm in the heart, so that the pumping and giving out and taking in the blood, it will go into the smooth rhythm. Okay, so later on we will study. For now it is the thing. Now I am just completing my video, and thank you so much for just listening my lectures. Next we will definitely meet in further videos. Thank you.